Hey everyone! Welcome back to our Kitchen Faucet channel, where we explore the latest and greatest for troubleshooting and improving your home kitchen. Today we are going to talk about something that may seem simple, but can actually be quite difficult: adjust temperature on touchless kitchen faucets. It is a task that many people take on themselves, and while this is certainly possible, there are some common mistakes that can make the process much more frustrating than it needs. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Stay updated with all our latest home improvement tips. Let's start. Touchless kitchen faucets are a great addition to any modern kitchen. They offer convenience and hygiene benefits, making them a popular choice for homeowners. However, adjusting the temperature on a touchless kitchen faucet can be a bit more challenging than traditional faucets. In this article, we will provide you with step-by-step instructions on how to adjust the temperature on your touchless kitchen faucet. Now that you have a basic understanding of how touchless kitchen faucets work, let's move on to the steps to adjust the temperature. Keep in mind that the specific steps may vary depending on the brand and model of your faucet. Step 1. Turn off the water. Before you can adjust the temperature on your touchless kitchen faucet, you need to turn off the water supply to the faucet. This can usually be done by turning a shut-off valve located under the sink or in the basement. Turn the valve clockwise until it stops, then turn it counterclockwise to turn it off. Step 2. Remove the handle. Once the water is turned off, remove the handle of your touchless kitchen faucet. This will give you access to the internal components of the faucet. Be careful not to damage any parts, as they can be fragile. Step 3. Adjust the temperature control. The temperature control on your touchless kitchen faucet is usually located inside the handle. It may be a small dial or a series of buttons. Look for the temperature control and adjust it to your desired temperature. Keep in mind that some faucets may have a separate hot and cold water temperature control. Step 4. Replace the handle. Once you have adjusted the temperature control, replace the handle of your touchless kitchen faucet. Make sure to align the handle with the internal components of the faucet before tightening the screws to secure it in place. Step 5. Turn the water back on. After you have replaced the handle, turn the shutoff valve counterclockwise to turn the water back on. Test the faucet to make sure that the temperature is correct. If it's not, repeat the adjustment process until you achieve the desired temperature. Adjusting the temperature on your touchless kitchen faucet is a simple process that can be done in just a few steps. By following the instructions in this article, you should be able to adjust the temperature on your faucet and enjoy the convenience and hygiene benefits of a touchless kitchen. If you encounter any issues with your faucet, remember to troubleshoot the common issues before contacting a professional plumber for assistance. Well, that's a wrap for today's tutorial on adjust temperature on touchless kitchen faucets. Remember, maintaining your faucet not only improves the water quality but also extends the life of your plumbing fixtures. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with your friends for more DIY tips and tricks.